Lezi ndaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park. Mbukeli isakhiwo leso sibunayo yiso kanye ke lapha esisebenzela khona sifike qathatha ukuzokwazisa ngakho konke okwenzekayo ke sibheke ke ehamba phambili.
The President's agreement follows a recommendation by the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, Mamuluko Kubai, and supported by the NDPP advocate Andy Motibi.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa usesamukele isicelo sobe yinhloko yophiko lwe-IDEC u-Advocate Andrea Johnson sokwesula ngokushesha esikhundleni. uJohnson kumanje uqhubeka nobufakazi bakhe kukhomishana kaMadlanga.
The African Parliament carries the hopes as well as the aspirations of more than 1.5 billion Africans.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa uthi iPhalamende lase-Afrika liyinkundla emele amathemba nezifiso zabantu base-Afrika. Ubethula inkulumo yokuvulwa ngomhlangano wePhalamende lase-Afrika wehlandla lesikhombisa obanjelwe eMidrand. Umelaphi wendabuko odumile eThekwini uvele kafushane enkantolo yemantshi yaseHammersdale ngeinsolo zamacala okubulala okuhlobene nezombusazwe njengoba eshaqwe iPKTT ngeledlule.
Very important to set the tone for the rest of the tournament.
Ibanyana izobhekana neTanzania emidlalweni wayo wokuqala womqhudelwano iWAFCON ngehora lesikhombisa namuhla eCasablanca eMorocco. Ngikubingelele mbukeli ngikwamukele indaba zehora lokuqala. Igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabangane elimhlophe qwa njengenjwayelo ke mbukela singabe sapholisa amaseko asibheke ukuthi sikuphathele ziphi. Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa usamukele isicelo sobe yinhloko yophiko lwe-IDEC u-Advocate Andrea Johnson sokushiya esikhundleni. Lokhu kulandela incwadi ayibhalele umengameli kanye nenhloko yophiko olushushisa amacala omphakathi NPA u-Advocate Andy Motibi ecela ukukhululwa ngokusheshsha emsebenzini. uJohnson uthi lesi sinqumo usithathe ngenxa yokuhlaselwa abhekene nakho okuqondiswe kuye uqobo kanye nasemsebenzini wakhe. uJohnson ubhekene nencindezi kulandela ubufakazi abethule phambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga nalapho kuvele khona ukunqubuzana kwezinkulumo ukuvuma amaphutha kanye nokuhoxiswa kwezinye zezitatimende ngendlela uphiko lwabhekana ngayo necala lokukhwabanisa nenkohlakalo elibhekene noLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, uBrigadier Dineo Mukwele kanye nabanye.
The President's agreement follows a recommendation by the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, Mamuluko Kubai, and supported by the NDPP advocate Andy Motibi, that Advocate Johnson's request be granted.
Kanti ke njengoba nje u-Advocate Andrea Johnson esethatha isinqumo sokuhoxa njengenhloko ye-IDEC, ubufakazi bakhe bona phambi kwesithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga busazoqhubeka njengoba namhlanje ebuyele phambi kwekhomishana.
I had no reason to doubt the briefing that was given to me by the investigator. I didn't ask for a I didn't ask for a document. I was satisfied with the briefing that I was given, that as an investigation team, they identified that this is the investigation that is outstanding, this is what they require for the investigation, and this is what it is that must be subpoenaed.
Usuku lwesithathu namhlanje qhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi bakhe Advocate Andrea Johnson osanda kushiya phansi njengenhloko ye-IDEC. Imibuzo aphekwa ngayo Advocate Johnson ibandakanya nethinta indlela olwayisingatha ngayo i-IDEC udaba lwecala lokukhwabanisa nenkohlakalo elibhekene nenhloko yezomhlolo Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo kanye nabanye.
Are you saying you were satisfied from the briefing you got that there was a basis to investigate whether General Khumalo, or an allegation that General Khumalo's security clearance given when he was a brigadier was a result of manipulation of your vetting process, of their vetting processes. When he became Major General, the security clearance that he got was a result of the manipulation of vetting processes. And then when he ultimately becomes well, I think he's a Brigadier, Major General, and then Lieutenant General. Are you saying that with the briefing, you are satisfied that there is a basis to investigate those clearances that he got starting with Brigadier? Is that what you satisfied yourself about, that there was a basis for that?
There was a basis.
U-Advocate Johnson uyaqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi.
The details of the matter.
Ikhomishana ebhekele ezobulungiswa iJSC isiluleke umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ngokuthi amise emsebenzini umengameli wamajaji eEastern Cape ijaji uSelby Mbenenge njengoba kusalindwe isinqumo sePhalamende melana nokuthi kumele yini asuswe esikhundleni. iJSC yathola ijaji uMbenenge necala elibucayi lokuhlukumeza ngokocansi nobhala wakhe uAndiswa Mengo. Isigcawu sasiphenya ngalezi insolo sakhipha isinqumo sokuthi uMbenenge akayiphathanga kahle. Kubikwa-ke ukuthi lokhu kwenzeka ngesikhathi bexoxa ngoWhatsApp phakathi kaNhlangulana ka-2021 kuya kuLwezi ka-2022. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthi iPhalamende lase-Afrika liyinkundla emela amathemba nezifiso zabantu base-Afrika. Ubethula inkulumo yokuvulwa komhlangano wePhalamende lase-Afrika wehlandla lesikhombisa obanjelwe eMidrand eGoli.
The Pan-African Parliament carries the hopes as well as the aspirations of more than 1.5 billion Africans, and it carries the aspirations for peace, progress and prosperity across our beloved continent. It is an enduring symbol, this parliament that is an enduring symbol of unity in diversity, a unity anchored in the conviction that Africa's future must be shaped not only by its governments, but by its peoples, whom you all represent. We gather at a moment when events beyond our shores are having a profound and damaging impact on the lives of the people of our continent. The wars that are raging across the world are causing great instability and uncertainty. Our continent is also not spared the effects of conflict and instability, greater global economic turbulence is caused by all these conflicts and the increasing geopolitical tension that is occurring across the world.
Umelaphi wendabuko odumile eThekwini uvele kafushane enkantolo yemantshi yaseHammersdale ngeinsolo zamacala okubulala okuhlobene nezombusazwe njengoba eshaqwe iPKTT ngeledlule. Intatheli yeSABC uAyanda Mhlongo uyasibikela.
Singaphandle kwenkantolo kaMantshi yala eHammersdale nala kusanda kuvela umsolwa ukhetha ukuthula Ncayiyane ovela ngamacala ayisikhombisa okubulala uboshwe uphiko lamaphoyisa iPKTT lesazilaziyo ukuthi ke liphenya amacala abucayi athinta ukubulawa kosombusazwe. Kwathi ngo2020 la endaweni yaseHammersdale kwabulawa owayelunga leANC Youth League noma uphiko lwentsha leANC emva kwamasonto amabili kwabe sekubulawa namaphoyisa amabili ayesebenzela uMetro Police. Namhlanje ke amaphoyisa asegcineke emva kophenyo olunzulu agcineke esebopha ngolesihlanu yena umsolwa ke lo ovelile ubesebekwa amacala ayisikhombisa okubalwa ukubulala, amacala amathathu okubulala, okwakha itulo lokubulala kanye nokutholakala ke nezibhamu. ezimbili uhlobo lwepistol nohlobo lwerifle. Umsolwa ke lo ovelile uzovela futhi ke ngoLesihlanu nala abameli bakhe bayitshele inkantolo ukuthi ke uzobe sefaka ke isicelo sebail. Abameli bakhe baphinde ke bazwakalisa ukukhathazeka kwabo ngemniningwane abathi ke ikhishwe amaphoyisa ke statement sakhishwa ngamaphoyisa ngokuboshwa kwakhe ke umsolwa lo ngoLesihlanu. Baphinde futhi baveza ukukhathazeka kwabo ngesimo sokuphepha kwakhe ke umsolwa.
Sibonge ku-Ayanda Mhlongo. Mbukeli sathi nje kequ eyitolo kanti siyabuya phela nezinye indaba zosuku ngemva kwekhefu. Wena nje ungayindawo. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli sikubingelele mawusanda kungena. Asiphinde ke sikukhumbuze ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Wena into okufuneka ukuthi uyenze ukuthi uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani ke uzoyithola ngomjalo bazo.
Khulume, let's talk.
A lot of young men are experiencing physical abuse in their relationships.
Never thought I myself I would be one of the victims one day. I was so shocked.
I'm here to report my wife or my girlfriend is beating me. And she'll look at you like, you know, and this is a woman, you know. And so that thing gives you the thing with, oh, even women believe a woman can't beat a man.
If you are a man and you are being abused, please go to police station and report a case of abuse.
Hlanganyela kanye nathi njalo ngomsombuluko ku SABC1 ngehora lesihlanu ntambama.
Kudutshulwe kwabulawa abantu abayi-11 izolo ebusuku ezingxenyeni ezahlukene eWestern Cape. Amaphoyisa athi kudutshulwe abantu abane eManenberg Cape Flats kwalimala nabanye abane. Kwesinye isigameko kubulawa abahlanu eGugulethu eKapa bedutshulwa njalo.
Detectives from the Provincial Serious and Violent Crime Unit are leading the investigation. The Acting Provincial Commissioner of the Western Cape Police, Major General Luyanda Damoy, has strongly condemned the senseless act of violence and has directed that every available resource be utilized to bring those responsible to justice. Additional operational members have also been deployed in the area to prevent any further violence.
I-SIU ithi eyinsukwini ezingama-30 ezizayo izoqala ngeinyathelo zomthetho zokubuyisa impahla kwabe eyisikhulu esiphezulu sePrasa uLucky Montana. Lokhu kulandela ukuthola kwayo umyalelo wenkantolo wokuvikela izindlu ezimbili ezibiza igidi zamarandi ezeyamaniswa naye uMontana. Lezi ndlu ziyingxenye yophenyo lwethenda elibizwa 5.6 billion amarandi okuthiwa lahlinzekwa inkampani iSiyangena Technologies ngokungemthetho.
Preservation order seeks to restrain Mr. Montana from transferring, leasing or disposing in whatsoever manner any of the two properties. This is a property that is one here in Johannesburg in Hellingham for 13.5 million rands and the other one is for 2.2 million that is in Waterkloof in Pretoria. Yeah. By the directive of the special tribunal, Mr. Montana is not legally authorized at this point in time to do anything. Up until the 11th of August, wherein the special tribunal has said they can come and address it on why this preservation order could not be made final. It is an interim preservation order, but then there could be reasons that perhaps they would need to advance to the court as to why this could not be made a final order. But again, within the next 30 days, the special investigating unit will then be required by it's actually a directive, not even a requirement, to institute civil recovery proceedings. So within the next 30 days, which is in a month's time, the SIU will then be proceeding to institute full civil recovery proceedings against Mr. Montana.
Uvusimuzi Khet Matlala nabanye abana solo nabo babuyele enkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli njengoba kuqhubeka isithangami secala labo ukuze inkantolo ithathe isinqumo ngokuthi ubufakazi obuphikiswa ngabameli babamangalelwa bungamukelwa yini njengengxenye yobufakazi kuleli cala.
Owayengunogada uChristian Shepherd uyaqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi obaqoqwa ngesikhathi kuboshwa umusa Kekane osolwa ngokuba uShaya Sibhamu owayekhokhele uMatlala. Umbuso uthi Sibhamu namarekhodi omakhalekhukhwini atholakala ngesikhathi kuboshwa uKekane amxhumanisa kanye nommangalelo wesibili uTiego Mabusela namacala okuzama ukubulala usomabhizinisi uJosi Banyoni owayintombi kaMatlala uThebo Khotubejane nomdidiyeli womculi odume ngelika DJ Vetis. uShepherd ephendule imibuzo yabameli babasolwa mayelana nokwenzeka ngosuku kwahlasela ngalo uSibanyoni ngaphambi kokuba inkantolo ithathe isinqumo ngokuthi kungasetshenziswa yini ecaleni elikhulu.
Sorry, when you say Mr. Kukana, who you are referring to?
Witness accused one.
What did you observe?
I observed him driving the Hyundai i20 that entered into the property at 34.
Ummeli kaMusa Kekane uthi ukuboshwa kwakhe nokuthathwa kobufakazi akuzange kulandele umthetho uthi nobufakazi obaqoqwa amaphoyisa akumele bamukelwe yinkantolo.
And the only logical conclusion is because you never saw the face of the driver of the Hyundai. Correct?
That's incorrect.
You only saw the mustard-colored shirt.
uMatlala unkosikazi wakhe uTsakani Matlala uMusa Kekane uTiego Floyd Mabusela noNthabiseng Nzama babhekene namacala ahlukene okubala kuwo izinsolo zokuhlela imizamo yokubulala. Bonke abasolwa baziphika izinsolo
Evidence as was
ababhekene
given by
nazo.
the witness is that when the motor vehicle exited number 34 Fifth Avenue, the driver's window was rolled down. Through the open window,
Seliphinde lahlehliselwa umhlazi 19 kuNcwaba icala lokubulawa kaWarwick Stock obedume ngelika DJ Waraso wadutshulwa wabulawa ngoZibandlela wangonyaka odlule. Namhlanje bekulindeleke ukuthi inkantolo ephakeme yaseGauteng ibe kusuku lokuqulwa kwecala lokubulala elibhekene nabasolwa ababili okuArmindo Phakhula kanye noVictor Majola.
Okuphinde kwahlaluka enkantolo namhlanje udaba lokuthi umsolwa wesibili uVictor Majola ongavelanga ngoLesihlanu kuzomela axoxisane nomndeni wakhe kanye nommeli wakhe ngodaba lwenkokhelo yommeli uma kungenjalo uzophoqeleka ukuthi athole ummeli omusha noma azimele ngokwakhe uma icala selibuyele enkantolo.
The court has heard what your counsel has indicated with regard to the full instruction. You are requested to liaise with your family members and attempt and make whatever effort is necessary in order to deal with that issue.
Abameli kanye nombuso bazohlangana ngoLesithathu ukubhunga ngemininingwane ethile odabeni lwamadokodo.
The court notes that a meeting will be held between accused number 2's legal representatives and the state with regard to finalising issues relating to the docket. The meeting will take place this Wednesday as informed, that is the 29th of July 2026. Matter then is postponed to the 19th of August 2026.
Abamangalelwa bazoqhubeka bagcinwe esitokisini kuze kube babuyela enkantolo.
Kungene ebhokisini lofakazi umsolwa wesithathu uMthobisi Mncube ecaleni lokubulawa kaSenzomeyiwa enkantolo ephakeme ePitoli. Umbuso usola uMncube ngokuthi nguye owadubula wabulala. uMncube uzokalise ukudideka ngestatement okusola ukuthi senziwa uSimphiwe Buthelezi esenza enobrigadier Gininda njengoba phela ekhala ngokuthi senziwa kanjani istatement imoto ihamba.
Kuyangimangaza ukuthi kunestatement esenziwa kodwa imoto ngaphibisa endleleni ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi uma wenza istatement sokuhleliwe phansi so lokho angi-understand kahle.
In other words, you're telling this court that you're very confused on the information that is contained on these documents which does not align. Is that what you're saying?
Ngiyadideka ngoba phela makuthiwa kwenziwe istatement ngicabanga kumele kuhlalwe phansi kwenziwe leso statement ngoba ngeke ukwazi ukwenza istatement imoto ibisendleleni ibenihamba.
Libiyele enkantolo ephakeme yaseMthatha ehleli elusikisiki icala labayisithupha abasolwa ngokusoconga abantu abayi18 esigodini sasengobozana eEastern Cape. Ukuzwa kabanzike ngokuqhubeka enkantolo njengamanje mbukeli isixhumana nentatheli yeSABC ufundiswa Mhlekude. Fundiswa sikubingelele sikwamukele indaba enze ihora lokuqala emini. Sicela nje ukuthi usilandise ngosekwenzekile enkantolo namhlanje.
Hlabangane limhlophe qwana babukeli silapha enkantolo yaseLusikisiki namhlanje into eqhubekayo sibona igqwetha lommangalelwa wesihlanu Songezo Vuma lona ke igqwetha nguVelile Mgcotyelwa efaka imibuzo ummangalelwa wokuqala okwakhyolwa ngokuba ngqondo kwelityala lokubulawa kwabantu abali-18 eNgobozana uMzukisi Ndamase embuza ngokubulawa okokuqala nje komsomashishini wakwaBhaca uMncedisi Gijana utsho ke ukuba akamazi uMncedisi Gijana futhi zange ambone waqala ukuva ngegama elithi Mncedisi Gijana entolongweni uyabuzwa ke ukuba kutheni lento ecinga ukuba uSongezo Vuma lo ongummangalelwa wesihlanu uthetha izinto ezingekhoyo ngaye uthi ke zimbini izizathu esokuqala sesokuba waxelelwa nguSongezo ukuba okokuqala uBrigadier Ngculu yena ke ongumphathi wamapolisa kwicandelo lolwaphulo mthetho lunobundlobongela kwiphondo laseMpuma Koloni wamxelela ukuba uza kumfumana ukuzawusebenzisa nantoni na ukuze afumane uNdamase eyokuqala ke esesibini sizathu sesokuba uthi waxelelwa nguSongezo Vuma ukuba yena wenze isivumelwano okanye uthenjiswe ngamapolisa ukuba uzawufumana iminyaka eli-15 kuphela entolongweni uthi ke zezo zinto ezenza ukuba acinge ukuba uSongezo Vuma uthetha izinto ezingekhoyo ngaye noxolo.
Sibonge kakhulu umbukeli lowo bekufundiswa Mhlekude yena kube sibikela elapha ya eLusikisiki. iBanyana izobhekana neTanzania emidlalweni wayo wokuqala womqhudelwano iWAFCON ngehora lesikhombisa namhla kusihlwa eCasablanca eMorocco.
iBanyana ikholele kutheni sikwenze konke okusemandleni okulungiselela umdlalo wayo wokuqala neTanzania namuhla kusihlwa.
Now that the tournament is 16, there's no margin for error. You know, in the past, you could qualify as the best third place as well. Now just the top 2 qualify. So the first game of the tournament is very, very important to set the tone for the rest of the tournament.
Abadlali beqembu abadlala phesheya kwezilwandle abafana noThembi Kgatlana noLinda Mutlalo bafike emva kwesikhathi ekanjini yeqembu. Ukapteni uRafile Jane owadlala umqhudelwano wokuqala weWAFCON ngo-2012 uthi bonke abadlali kuleli qembu banalo ikhono lokuthi benze kahle.
We've got senior players who've been in Banyana for a long time and who've got all the experience, and we've got international players. So that blend comes in quite nicely. So everyone knows what is at stake. We're all working towards one goal. So we have to bring our characters, we have to bring our experiences, whether young or old, and we have to make sure that the team comes first. It doesn't matter where you come from, we're playing for a bigger thing than all of us. So in order to achieve that, we have to put in our skills and our talents, but above everything, we have to work really hard for one another in order to achieve that.
uJane usanda ukubungaza ibanga lakhe lokufinyelela emidlalweni eyi150 yeqenjini lesizwe. Kanti uLinda Mutlalo ushoda ngomdlalo wodwa ukuze afinyelele emidlalweni eyi100 kuBanyana.
Mbukeli sathi qu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe ke sibuya sizobe sikuphathele umhlahlo wesimo sezulu ungayindawo. Mlaleli sizibeka lapha-ke bese kuphathele zona emini hlakabezoza kwethu neindaba ngolwimi lwesindebele uma kugamanxa lesihlanu ntambama. Thina-ke siyabuya nezinye ngehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa. Okwamanje nje usale kahle.